12:12. Your goals are about to come true. Strong connections and relationships are beginning to take shape, and everything is going to work out. God is telling you that everything will work out today, that things will get better, that your life will be better than it has ever been, and that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You are entering your destiny moments, and that everything will work out. It will be unusual. What you have been praying for will happen sooner than you think, that the dysfunction, the lack, and the illness are over. This is a new day. The forces that have held you back are about to be broken right now. It's your turnaround. Good opportunities and the appropriate people are on the horizon. You're going to overcome your illness. Shower across the gloom and rain. Over the battle promotions for healing. Be encouraged. Blessings and breakthroughs are on the way. Your household is about to experience victory. Your financial situation is about to improve. Victory is coming in your health. You are blessed, prosperous, loved, growing, and you are winning. Type 11112 affirmations. The enemy is doing everything in his power to stop you from achieving your breakthrough. So as long as you don't give up, you will reap a blessing. Your miracle is closer than you think. You're going to go from struggling to barely making it to abundance, from fighting that addiction to freedom, and from dealing with that illness to health and wholeness. You're going to go from nothing working out to things falling into place, meeting the right people, getting the contracts, and having all the resources you need. What I promised you already has a set time, and it won't be a second late. This is the answer to your prayer for comfort today. Everything will improve, and you will be all right. Believe me, you are going to experience blessings, breakthroughs, healing, and a financial rise. Enjoy your day, God is telling you. I know you feel upset and furious sometimes, but don't say the first thing that comes to mind. I have you in the palm of my hand, and I am so proud of you for persevering through everything. Before you pick up the phone, say a prayer. Improve your prayer, or respond to someone else's angry remarks. Before you speak, say a brief, simple, split-second prayer. Help me, Dash. All it takes for me to manage your speech is Jesus. 222 to confirm this anticipated positive news, change that is supernatural. This is your time to get favors and blessings. Today, God is telling you, I'm going to bless you on purpose. I'm going to move you up. I'm going to accelerate your dreams. I'm going to give you what you didn't deserve. I'm going to put you in a position that you could never have gotten to on your own, and I'm going to let you know that something wonderful has worked in your favor. Prepare yourself for something good to happen. Continue to believe and adhere to my word. It's your time to be free. It's your time to step into new heights. Everything that's holding you back is being broken right now. You need to prepare yourself because I'm going to move you into a place of greater blessings. You're going to receive that miracle of UV, which you've been praying for, and I can do the impossible. I can make a way where there seems to be no way. I will touch your health, your home, your family, your faith, and your finances. Today is a new day. I'm doing a new thing. I'm going to exceed your expectations. I'm going to do things that you've never imagined. I'll give you a way. Don't let your feelings guide your choices. Take a moment to stop and pray. Being in my presence will change everything. Type 333 to affirm that everything will work out for you. You'll soon have breakthroughs and receive significant blessings that will change your life. Don't lose patience. I'm preparing you. Trust my timing, and if you'll continue to believe in me, I'll always find a way. Even when it seems impossible, I'll give you the strength to face every challenge and the wisdom to make every choice. You're on the right track. You'll be all right. You've been here before, but you made it through. I'll find a way for you. I'm directing you toward favor, strength, and peace. Put your whole heart into the Lord, relying not on your own understanding in every way. Submit to Him, and He'll make your path straight. Proverbs 3:5-6. God is telling you that He will open doors for you today that have been closed for a long time. Suddenly, miracles will occur in your life. healing, and restoration will be granted. And your best days of prosperity and productivity are approaching. I am keeping a record of everything that should have been yours. I know what you didn't get. I saw you working hard, raising your children and making sacrifices. I saw you taking the treatment, keeping a good attitude, praising me when it wasn't improving. Don't worry, the answers are coming. I'm going to restore the years that you've lost. An unbelievable and unexplainable blessing is coming your way. I am settling the score. I am giving you back everything the enemy has stolen. Type 444 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, I know you're going through a difficult time in your life right now, and you are dealing with multiple circumstances and a lot of emotional pain. It seems as though, before you can get through one thing, another thing happens. I don't always steal the storm around you. Sometimes I steal the storm raging in. You don't give up. I am strengthening you in areas that you cannot even see right now. You and I will get through this together like we always do. Everything will be all right. God is telling you that He will require you to be very aware of what is happening around you at the moment, because the enemy is using individuals, to let rid of the pettiness. Petty accusations and attacks are meant to divert your attention and make you lose focus on the things that are truly important in the kingdom. Ascend above. There is no shame in allowing yourself to be vulnerable without worrying about being judged. So please pray for these folks and continue on the kingdom path. My dear child, there's no condemnation here. There's only love. Your yes is on the way. God is about to open doors that would not open. He's going to change people's minds and cause them to be good to you. God and His angels are working on your behalf right now. You will see and experience advancement and growth in all areas of your life. Your breakthrough is close for someone reading this. Something has been pending. You've been waiting on a yes. You're about to get it. God has blown the door wide open in your favor as an act of faith. He wants you to rejoice like you've already got it. Tell God, thank you, something wonderful and unexpected is going to happen in your life. This day I declare, bodies will be healed, relationships will be restored, acceptance letters and check will be mailed. Claim it and receive it by faith. Every step of the way I love you, and I won't leave you. Trust me to take care of you and be faithful to you in every season that you walk through. I will never allow something to happen in your life without having a plan. I could have given David a different role than that of a shepherd boy, but I chose to make him the king long before Samuel saw him. As a shepherd, David's main duty was to ensure the flock's safety and welfare. He had grazed the animals, causing them harm and preventing them from consuming poisonous plants and from being attacked by wild animals. God is saying to you today, I have a plan for you. Don't lose your faith in me by focusing more on the circumstances when I led the Israelites towards the promised land, that I prepared for them through the Red Sea by seeing the sea itself. They all grumbled against me. They said it was better to stay in Egypt. They have lost their faith by focusing more on what they see with their eyes, instead of focusing on me in your life. There are certain things that are happening. It may be making you lose your faith in me. But remember one thing. You have a promise for me. A promise to bless you. A promise to prosper you. A promise to protect you. A promise to provide you with what is exactly needed for your life. You also know that every word that comes from my mouth will never ever return as void. So have faith in me. Remember, I led the Israelites towards the Red Sea in order to open a way towards the promised land that I have prepared for them. So have faith in me for everything. I have a plan. Always remember, you have a promise. If I have given that promise, then I will do it. Type 555 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, some situations may make you stuck and make you ask me what else more you should do now. When I made Abraham wait for a long time, the situation of waiting would have made him stuck from moving forward, and also could have made him ask me what else more should I do. But instead of focusing on the situation, he focused on me. and he faced the situation by moving forward, by trusting me. When Daniel heard about throwing Daniel into the lion's den, that situation would have made him stuck from moving forward, and also could have made him ask me what else more should I do. But instead of focusing on the situation, he focused on me, and he faced the situation by trusting me. They knew that if I allow something, then surely I will have a plan. Even in your life, some situations may make you stuck and make you ask me what else more you should do now at that time. Instead of focusing on the situation, focus on me. Then move forward by trusting I will never allow something without having a plan. You know that very well. Remember one thing. Everything that is happening in your life is for my glory. So have faith in me. Type 777 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, I know you are secretly living in pain. You cry yourself to sleep every night, not wanting to bother anyone. You don't know what else to do. I know what is going on. I care and I see all things. I'm already working on your behalf. Don't worry. I have you in the palm of my hand. You will come out of this better, brighter, and stronger than ever before.